You are taught trading is gambling. But what if I tell you that there is a holy grail, an equation, a science you need to get your hands on right now to pay that rent, to live a life a bit better? Neither school will tell you this, neither will the people at the top. Not many will make it to the end of this road, but those who do will unlock something powerful. This road is the road not taken, a road to freedom. So, are you ready to get on this road with me? They say trading is all about luck. Flip a coin, buy here, sell there, and suddenly you're rich or broke. Everywhere you look, someone doubled their account in a week, tripled in a month, and you're wondering, why does it never happen to me? It's not about chasing money, it's about chasing an edge. Chase price action, chase setups, chase profitability. Build a strategy that makes sense to you. Jesse Livermore, George Soros, Jim Rogers, Takeshi Kotegawa, what do they have that you don't? Your road is different from theirs. You're on a road where trading is either gambling or success comes overnight. Now, what's wrong with that? Everything. Then how do you reach that level? How do you make a lot of money through the career of trading? Simple answer is time. Complex answer is investing time in failures and creating a well-defined setup with an edge. I started with 1 lakh. 3 months later, I am up 10%. Not because I got lucky, but because I followed my plan. I managed my risk and I played the game differently. The gambler bets on hope, the trader bets on probability. I took fewer trades, I followed my system, I controlled my losses, and slowly, steadily, I built my account. Now, this is where 99% people fail. Not because they don't have a good strategy, but because they lack patience, discipline, self control. Most people chase money. They see a big green candle and they FOMO in. They see a stock pumping and they buy at the top. Then what? Reality hits. You don't chase money, you chase problems if you want to build a business, right? And in trading, you chase an edge. You will fail, but fail fast, fail smart, learn quickly, rebuild, adapt, act fast, execute. So that's it. Create an edge, fail fast, and it's done. Am I profitable now? Big question. No. See, which setups are profitable and why? Which trades are failures and why? Write them down. See a pattern to the problems, a pattern to the solution. That's your road. Keep going, keep failing, keep working. You are doing it right. But wait, you wake up and even after all this, you made a loss today. So what? Did I ever say you will never ever make a loss? That you are now going to play God? No. That's how hard trading gets. That's how hard any business gets. If you think this is tough, then think about paying bills at the age of 60 with no passion left, no dreams left. Money is there, but the value you traded for your time was worth more, and now it's lost. Now, let's say you make a beautiful strategy, you backtested it, you have everything in your hands, you are earning money, but now what? Was it ever about the money? Money is what? A number on a screen, a value backed up by beliefs. But paying rent, buying your car, traveling without financial worries, your destiny was never money, but the freedom it provides. The biggest lesson from this video is not trading, it's not money, it's not trading is gambling, or anything else, but it's about time. You will never reclaim time. A job you don't like, coming home, watching TV, sleeping, repeating all this till your retirement, this kills your time for sure. So change your perspective, chase problems, chase a setup, and edge in trading. Solve them, fail fast, rebuild. And don't think that after doing all this, tomorrow morning money will be raining down on you. No. But you will put yourself on the road that takes you to the wealthy, profitable trader's village. How far it is, no one knows. But you will reach there, that's for sure. Drop a like, drop a subscribe. See you soon.